First and 10. Ball on the 19.
Oh, that's got to be a fumble. I caught him in the air.
The 19-yard line. And the halfback's got nowhere to go.
Woo! Ooh, I thought he caught that. That's great defense.
Well, you want to do everything.
We're on it. Yes, sir. Fourth down, chat. Fourth down. Wasn't pretty. They marched down the field on us, but we held them to a field goal. We can hold them to field goals and take touchdowns. We walk out of here safely with a W. Bend but don't break in this game.
It's up, and he got it. Reese Davis joins us. We get along with it. That'd be great.
Oh, quarterback, I need you to block.
They get 4 yards on the halfback option.
Is that who I think it is? Yes, it is. One-on-one on the outside. Jace Wilson. Oh, I threw a pick. Oh, no. Get there. Get there. Pick six. Not pretty. That's tough. We can't give that up.
So a great play by the defender to give his team 6 points. That was a very good play.
That's tough. Down 10-0. We're going to have to bounce back here today. Let's go, Ja'Cory.
And he's finally shoved out at the 45.
To let him know that we're still rocking with him. Let's go, Lewis.
And he has it on the corner. Tackle. Nice run up the middle. So the tailback's going to come second down.
Isaiah Davis, touchdown, UTSA.
This one's going deep to the end zone.
Stop playing with Xavier. Xavier.
Almost intercepted.
Xavier. Come on, my guy. They're going for it regardless. They're going for it regardless. And now they're going to convert.
They'll spread the field with 5 wide.
Oh, my gosh, he dotted me with a sticking eye. Oh, we stripped him. We didn't pick it up.
Maybe the ball carrier will try a little harder to secure the ball next time.
We're there. Okay. We got to hold him to a field goal, chat. I need Xavier Player to make a play on the outside, too. He done dropped 2 picks for me. I'm leaving the middle of the field open. I don't care. I'm covering the middle of the field. Fam, I got you over there. Thank God he dropped it. Thank God for the rain. We got bailed out by the rain, y'all.
He gets it up, and it's good.
Oh, they don't have a kicker.
From their own 40-yard line. First down.
Press coverage on the outside.
He's wrapped up for the sack.
Sometimes it's just a relentless pass rush.
Around the 47-yard line.
Thompson makes the tackle at the 47-yard line. That makes it 33.
No, not Jace.
Receiver Wilson was the intended target.
Anybody but Jace. Come on, Jace.
It's a good hold by the defense.
on the run. He gets rid of this one.
Gosh, they dropped everybody back perfectly.
I think they've been a little bit more aggressive here with their pass rush, and that time it paid off with an incompletion.
They'll line up for the field goal, and this is nothing more than a chip shot.
We'll take the 3, y'all. We got to put some defense.
Earlier with that injury, what we're hearing now, it doesn't look like he's going to.
Go down. Chat, they won't let him go down. That's so annoying.
Timeout. Great job on the first down.
We give this up. That's ball game.
Defense stacked in tight here.
No, sir.
See the elation
Woo.
defensive coordinator side of things, and why not? His defense just came up with one of the biggest stops of the game in a vital spot in this fourth quarter. The kick is up, and it is good.
Barely. All right, we got to get it tutty.
And they got him.
We didn't pick up the block.
Tremendous play by the defense to get to the quarterback.
That kind of pressure up front could be the reason why they win.
GG's, chat. My guy dropped the biggest pass of the season.
They'll spread the field.
Hey, that's old buddy that played for Jackson State.
He heaves it deep. Can't pull it in.
Oh, there's no way he dropped that pass. Green grass in front of him.
Looks like they're going to go for it.
4th and 20. First down, get down, get down. Get down. Come on, Carpenter, you might be the guy. We don't get it off. That's ball game.
It's picked up by the offense.
GG's, chat. Woo, boy, we got to get some recruits in on offense. That sucks. First loss of the season.
Should do it. Our final tally in this one.
The pick 6 got us.
Green.
That's tough.